an increase to 750, a $70 increase. So interesting to know. Many other forms have been increased, not by much. This is CHIP application that is currently $725 is going to $760. So not a lot for $35.
God, Patrick.
This information is available on the USCIS website. But that's kind of where it is right now.
Hello, sweetie. No, I'm there on my way. I'm there something there.